Hello, 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 hello. Wherever you are on this transcendent globe we call Earth, I sincerely hope you are having a peaceful day, evening, or night, wherever you located. Welcome to our channel on 3D Topics. As you can see, I'm using a world-renowned Blender 3D application that can do a little bit of everything. I'm going to say it again. Blender, for the new beginners, it can do a little bit of everything. But my topic for the day is continuing my journey into the world of the renowned Node Wrangler. To use the Node Wrangler, as it implies, we have to be using nodes. So in this case, I want to go into my shading editor because I already have it set up. Oh, I forgot to say this. You can use the Node Wrangler in the shaders, or you can use the compositor. I think tomorrow when I do this episode, I might use the compositor and test it out. In the Node Wrangler today, I want to be using the Noodle cut tool. It's trial and error because I'm still new to nodes myself. I just want to make these because there's not much content on nodes I'm in depth. So I'm going to use the node. I want to use the cut tool. But before I begin, this is how we used to do it before it was a Node Wrangler. You go to your noodle, trial and error, and you do this cut. That's how I used to cut in the old days. It was trial and error. You better hope that you got, like I'm here, okay, I can't cut. I'm not, you have to be actually on the socket. I'm on a socket, I can cut it. But I come to my input node. See, the input node, you cannot cut it. Go to the end. I'm going to I go to my output socket. Yeah, I can't cut it. You only can cut it from the input. So that's tedious doing that. Let's see what we can do with the Node Wrangler. I'm gonna keep. Alright. So, okay, now I'm going to use the Node Wrangler. Let me get my little trusty writing tablet ready. I like to actually write stuff, so you have to hit the noodle cut. I'm going to call it noodle, because we're cutting the noodle. Noodle cut. Cutting. That's my topic. Noodle cutting. You have to press the control key plus your right mouse button. So let's see. I'm touching the control key. Got my right mouse button. And that's why I like that line. If you see that line is only going to do two things. It's only going to make a reroute node, or it's going to cut the noodle. And it cut the noodle. I don't have to worry about grabbing the noodle. I don't have to worry about going down to the input. No, I can cut the noodle from anywhere. That's a huge difference right there. In the old days, before November, you always have to click on this noodle. That's it. If I click in the middle, nothing happened. I click in the middle, nothing happened. But with the Node Wrangler, as long as I put my finger on the control key, I hit the right mouse button, I can put that thing anywhere and zap, it's cut. So that's a big help, people. Using that control right mouse button, cut from anywhere. I'm gonna cut right up here. Anywhere. Like I said, the old days you had to, 100%. You had to come right to it and move it. Node Wrangler, cut any, make a little slash anywhere. Zap is gone. Cut anywhere. Zap is gone. control, right mouse button anywhere. So it's a huge game changer. So that's it for the video today, people. To speed up your development. Oh, now when it's a reroute node, see right here, I only cut a portion of it, so I gotta go up here. Oops, let me come up here and cut this little bit off. And the reroute node, so it's still there. Have to hit delete for that. But anyway, we have a standard node. Yeah, let me put the reroute node back here and see what happened. But I just had one reroute. I'm going to object, click it up here, object, right here. I'm going to hit the shift key this time. Do that, it's rerouted. Okay, so when I click on that reroute node, remember, 2 nodes. I'm going to click right here and then right here. Let's see if it gets rid of both of them. Oh, so the reroute node, it don't get rid of everything. So you have to go to, when you're using that reroute node, as I just now saw, you cannot get rid of the middle. See, like there? When you want to use the reroute node, you have to go to the actual node or to the actual segment that's connected to the reroute. You have to go to the actual segment, and now it's gone. Go to the actual connecting part. Oh, but the other part is still there. So hey, but it's still easy though. So with the reroute node, it's a little bit tricky with the reroute node. But anyway, we saw today how to cut a noodle with the control and right mouse button. So I hope you got much out of this little episode. And to the next episode, dear listener, peace.